My personal assistant, Alexander, here. We're picking flowers from here. And we're going to make a flower crown.
It's not, it's a she. It's not he.
You sure you're not a he?
No, I'm a she. I'm a girl.
Oh, thank you for that information.
You know me and my auntie.
Okay, Alex and I today,
I took one flower off.
this is my assistant, Alexandra. She's 6. And we're going to do a crown, so we're going
And I
to
fell off the chair and my tooth came out.
It did.
And
So we're going to braid it in together.
it's raining hard, auntie, so make this fast.
We're in a covering monkey.
Oh my gosh.
So I just kind of twist everything in together.
We're making a crown made out of flowers.
Real flower.
Real flower.
Yep.
And
Then we'll
what is this name of the flower?
That I don't know, honey. Then I'll keep on adding into the
And
braid.
You need to find these kind of yellow flowers. You need to find these kind of yellow flowers.
It's very pretty. We grow them. They're natural growing here in Florida.
Even in Georgia.
In Georgia, you see in Georgia too? When you visit Grammy?
No, but maybe. Cause I think I see some.
Well, we'll take a picture of it, of you in this crown, and we'll send it to Grammy.
And there's a bug on the table.
It's okay. Protein. Yum yum.
Okay, then you eat it.
I will. Catch it for me.
I'm not sure if I want to. Is there a red ant? Do black ants bite?
No.
Is that a black ant?
Well, you can't tell. Are you colorblind? You can't tell?
No.
Real. Do you need to go back to school for kindergarten to teach you your color?
No, but is it a black ant?
Is it black?
It looks red.
Then it's not black ant if it's red. Hello?
Okay, there, I'm not picking it up.
Alrighty.
Oh my gosh, how did it connect?
Well, you didn't watch. So this goes around the head. Like this.
And then you're going to put the big flower. Oh, that looks good on me. I'm going to cut a flower so you can put it in the middle. Nectar. We got nectar here.
Is this going to fit you? Let's do it
Yep,
bigger.
it burns. That nectar burns you. That's going to be the front.
You
So you
choose.
can put
You're
the-
the artist. You create this. This is your creation. You're going to use what God
And
created.
I-
Now you just put it here. Put it in front.
Wait, I know how to put it
Okay,
in.
here. Put it in front.
Okay.
Good.
Dragon fruit over there. Okay. No. Put your head up. Here, yes, yes,
This
yes.
is Alexandra.